from the train. We're on our way to Cons right now. Woke up nice and early to catch this lovely train. So yeah, we have about another hour and then we'll be there. I think we're going island hopping. So, yay. Just trying to find our way down to the beach of the ferry. None of us have any maps, but we dropped all of our bags off and we're ready to start the day. I really hope this is waterproof, you know? This is not waterproof. It's supposed to be waterproof. We've posted up on an island called Ile Sainte Marguerite. We're gonna hang out here for a bit. Maybe put the drone up. Yeah, it's pretty chill here. Here we are, we out here, just gonna swim in my private yacht right after this. We flexing on them haters. Hashtag free little Tay. No one knows that. Nobody knows what that means. The meme culture is so dead with you folks. Jump right in.
I feel like I might fall already.
This is strictly for the blog, unfortunately. Carnage after that jump. Feel great though. Feel my eyes are burning from the sun.
Is it going?
Yeah, I think so.
It's cold.
Do it.
It's all seaweed.
Do it for the vlog.
Ooh. I almost fell in there.
Do it for the vlog.
Alright. Here goes.
Woo! That was really lame. Just another day in the Mediterranean Typhanian Sea. Yes, like I said. Hello, ladies! Hello, ye landlubbers! During our time at the beach, we decided to fly the drone. Unfortunately, it was spotted by a rather angry Frenchman. After all that harassment, we decided we were going to leave and find another beach. What do you want?
This is great content.
That's it, that's all you're doing.
Okay.
So we just can't get enough beach, you know? We just ate lunch and now we're back at the beach again. Ben's gonna go skinny dipping. It's just getting, nobody wants to see that. We're gonna go swimming. Look, there's even a cruise ship. You can see it, nice, right out there. So we're gonna go for a little bit of a dip before our train. Then we'll head out to Nice for the night. We're doing another episode of Shaw. And that's it for today, I guess. Let's go swimming. You did. No. We were for you?
Yeah.
That was actually really graceful. We floating! Well, I'm trying to float. I'm not doing a very good job. It's a deliciously seedy day today. The salt in the water is deliciously spectacular. And we are just having the time of our lives. Let's go find Nemo. I feel like a poodle right now. Do I look like a poodle? Is it? That's really weird. I can't see what it looks like, but I'm sure it looks brilliant. After swimming, it was time to head to the train station and complete our journey to Nice. When we arrived, we were greeted by our host, and he recommended that we check out a local Russian church, where we found many bunnies. After the bunnies, we ventured downtown to check out the old town and all it had to offer. Now look at this, hashtag aesthetic, and click. Hi guys, didn't see that. So tonight we're downtown shooting some pictures. I'm using my Samsung Galaxy S8, just provides me brand new off the shelf. It doesn't have a variable aperture, apparently that's a thing phones have now, but this doesn't have that. We're gonna walk around, we're gonna see the cathedral. Maybe, unless we're here, then we've seen the cathedral.
We might be here.
There's some big clock tower over there, if you want to focus with me here.
Oh.
Right over there, that could be cool. And then there's a park, I'd like to go on the pirate ship. It clears out. Not probably going to go on it with 5-year-olds, but if the park clears out, I'd like to go on the pirate ship, please.
We're getting on the tram.
We get money. Playing Jen Ball is my name.
What is it? Dude, if they ever swim.
What? I haven't seen it. You guys suck at memes.
Yeah.
Hi.
Welcome to shop.
So this is going to be a very quick episode.
Oh, is it?
We're in very hostile territory. C. Comfort.
See, comfort.
We haven't tried the beds.
No, this is gonna be a telltale because we all got sunburns.
Yeah, I also have a sunburn. A little rosé. Shout out to Ricky. Ricky Rosé, Rick Ross.
Oh.
So I'm going to give this a tentative
I think we need to top that. I think we're pretty
4.5. Whoa, not 4.5.
I was like, what?
Raise those. I'm going to give it a 3.5 out of 4. Just because I don't know, you know?
I'm gonna give it. I was gonna give it a 4. I'm gonna give it 4 shop out of 5. It's like this seems fine.
Sure.
It's comfortable in
Sure.
Living space.
Next up, we have hospitality. Right now we're living with another guy, that's why we're rushing. So, I mean, we're located close to everything. He's made us feel very welcome. Let's go to his meal. I'm gonna give it 5 out of 5. I'm happy with the hospitality.
I like it too. I think it's nice that he's around.
I don't like people though.
I know you don't, but
I don't like anybody.
this is how you meet
Except
people.
for my grade 2s, Baden, and Kevin, and some of the classified B. That's my shoutouts. These are my shoutouts.
That was quick.
Thanks.
Okay.
What's your hospitality rating?
Oh yeah, I didn't give it one.
No.
No.
What is it?
I gave it 4. Did I?
No.
I don't think it. 4 out of 5 shop.
Okay. Next up we have.
No. 4.5. This is gonna be a bad episode.
Oh my god.
4.5 shot out of 5. I like it.
Next up we have amenities. We have a kitchen. We have a stove.
We have our own fridge, which is
We have our own fridge. We have a dishwasher, a washer, a bed.
A pull-out couch as well.
A sea conditioner. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5 shop.
I say 4.5.
Good for you. Last but not least, we have trade-off. I don't know how much. I think we're paying $123 here for a night.
That's not bad.
That's decent. You have 2 beds, access to kitchens, water, all the water you can drink. That's a pretty good deal. I'm gonna rate that 4.5 shop out of 5.
You're right, shot.
Yeah.
I'm gonna also give it 4.5 shot out of 5.
Okay, thanks for watching. That's it for today.
This one did good. Oh,
Thanks.
I'm gonna wink.
Alright, this next part of the vlog is for just my animals. So this is for just Charlie, Skitty, and Fluffy. Anybody else watching it, the vlog's over. Go away. Marcia and Darren, please bring the computer to Fluffy first. Hi, Fluffy. I hope you're not covered in poop again. You probably are. Hope you're enjoying your wheel. Hope you're well fed. Hope you're getting lots of cuddles. I miss you. So, and now please bring the computer to Skitty. Skitty's a tough one. I like my cat, but I'm the only one that likes it. I'm the only one that likes you, Skitty. I hope you remember that. I hope somebody's petting you. Hope you're getting fed, getting your whiskas. Yeah, I miss you, Skitty. I know you miss me too. And last, Charlie. You're gonna have to bring the laptop pretty close for Charlie. She's not that bright. Charlie, you stupid head. I can't say that, can I? Can I say stupid head?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's your call, dude.
Charlie. Charlie, hi. Charlie, look at the screen. Charlie. Charlie, I miss you. I'll be home in, ooh, 2 weeks? Is that right?
2 and a bit, I think.
2 and a bit weeks, and we'll go for a walk when I get back. Okay? Alright, since nobody else is here, I'll just say goodnight to my animals. That's it. Okay, good night, Charlie, Skitty, and Fluffy. Goodbye. Wait, tomorrow can always be better. Skitty, Charlie, and Fluffy, I hope to see you there. Then we're done. That's good.